trapping rainwater problem. In this, we have given a height vector and we have to calculate how much water it can be filled in that height. So for height 0, 1, between the height 1 and 2, 1 unit water is stored. And for 1, for the height 2 and 3, there is 3 unit water is stored. So before writing the code, let's understand the approach. So in this approach, we will make the starting index as left. So this is left, and the rightmost index means the last index of size n minus 1 will be right. We will make a left water as 0 and the right water also 0. So we will make a while loop for left less than right. So if height of left is less than or equal to height of right, then we will look at the left. So for the water on the left hand side will be the maximum of the two. Means what is the maximum of two? Left water, and the height of left will be, so the left water is max of left water comma height of left. So what is the maximum? Which is 0. So water equals to left water minus height of left, which is 0. So current water state is 0. So left will be here. So left is this. Height of left is 1. Left water is 0. So we will check which is maximum. Height of left is maximum. So then make height left water is the maximum of the two, which is 1. So left water is 1. And the water will be left water minus height of the left, which is again 0. So again move to the left up to here. Now height of left is 0 and the left water is 1. So the left water will be maximum of them, means 1 and 0. The maximum is 1. So left water is 1. Means left water is pointing up to here. So the water will be the left water minus height of left, which is 1. So now water is 1. So again move the left here. Now the left is bigger than the left water. So the left water become the current height. So left and the left water is same. As left is greater than right, so we will have to look on the right side. So right point up to 1 and right water is 0. So we will count which is maximum. Right height is maximum. So we will make right water as the maximum of the two, which is 1. So and the water content will be right water minus the right water minus height of right. Both are 1. So it will be water will be 0. So right will get up to here and the right will go up to here. So the height of right is 2 and the right water is 1. So right water will be the maximum of the two, which is 2. So right water is updated to 2. So again right will get decremented. Right is here. Height of right is 1 and the right water is 2. So the water will be the difference of the two. So the difference is 1. So as initially water is 1 and the difference will be and the water as right will be right water minus height of right, which is 1. So initially it was 1 and the current water is 1, so it is 2. So the right will move up to here. As right height of right and the right water is same, so there will be no water, so right will move up to here. So as left is less than right, as left is less than right, the left will move up to here. So the water will be left water minus the height of left. Now the left is 1, height of left is 1 and left water is 2, so the difference is 1, so the water will get incremented to 1. So again left is go here, so the difference is height of left is 0 and the left water is 2, so the difference will be 2, means 3 plus 2, which is 5. So left again move to here, and height of left is 1 and the left water is 2, the difference will be 1, so 5 plus 1, which is 6. As left and right are there, left will increment it here. As left and right are on the same position, so this will break the while loop, which is left is less than right. So this loop will break and the water will get returned. So 6 is our answer. So let's code it. After understanding the approach, let's write the code. So first int left is equals to 0, means left pointing to the 0. Int right is right pointing to the last, and make a left water which contains 0 value, and a right water which also contains 0 value. So make a water which will contains water which is 0. So write a for loop, while loop, while left is less than right, check if height of left is less than or equal to height of right. If it is true, then left water will be the max of left water, comma, height of left. Left water contains the maximum value between them. So the water is equals to the initial water plus the difference between the left water minus height of left. After doing that, increment the left. So if this condition is violated, then on the else part, the right water will be the max of the right water, and height of right. So water will be water equals to water plus the difference between the right water and the height of right, and the right pointer will get decremented. After doing this condition, we have to return the water. So let's run the code. Code is accepted. Let's submit it. Code is successfully submitted. Thank you.